In this video, I want to talk about how you can apply for late delivery refund on AliExpress. Now, to do this, you need to keep in mind that you need to be able to actually do this, and these are the requirements. So just one of these will be enough. So the guaranteed delivery time has expired. You can see the guaranteed delivery time on your item inside of your orders, which I will show you. Now, these will also work. So if any of these happened, you can probably do this. Now, to do this, what you need to do is, let's just go back. You need to head over to your profile, go to My Orders. Inside of here, you want to find the order, click on it, and inside there, you should be able to see your delivery time. Now, if any of these happen, the first thing you should do is try to contact the seller. So click on the order, and inside of the order, you will be able to view the seller details, and you'll be able to contact the seller from in there. Now, if this still doesn't work and you cannot resolve it with the seller, then you can open a dispute and you can talk with AliExpress. So select the item and click on Open Dispute and just type in all the information from there. And then all you have to do is be patient and wait for AliExpress to review the dispute, and then you will get your refund. Now that is simply how it works, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.